While polishing with a finishing stone, you don't need to apply any excess pressure. All you have to do is slide the blade gently on the slurry. However, there's no point if the cutting edge is not properly contacting the surface of the stone, because the main purpose of this process is to get rid of the burrs lingering at the cutting edge. The burrs will not disappear no matter how hard you try, unless the cutting edge is polished. But I'm willing to bet that since you are probably new to all this, you are not able to tell whether the cutting edge is properly contacting the stone surface. So let me give you a tip. If the cutting edge is properly coming into contact with the stone surface, it leaves visible traces. Can you see the dark streaks of slurry at the point where the cutting edge passed by? These are the ones I mean. These streaks. If the cutting edge isn't coming into contact with the surface, it will not leave these dark streaks. Let me show you some proof. Now watch how when I slightly lift the cutting edge off the surface, the dark streaks disappear. Now I'll lift the cutting edge. See? The dark streaks disappear.